Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Mashreq bank login error issue. If you are facing bank login error issue, then this is the video for you. So watch till the end, and I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow each step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off and then on again. Or you also can switch to mobile data. If none of these works, then you also turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. The second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the other step is check your internet and password. Make sure your email or username is correct. Check your password carefully. Turn off cap locks. And wrong details are the most common reason for the login errors. And the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Play Store App Store for search for the app and tap on update option if it is available. Old version also may not work properly. So the other step is check your server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side. App server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also face the same issue. And another step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. So go to your phone setting, tap on app management or apps, select the app list or app and search for the looking app. Tap on storage and cache and click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. And the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, uninstall your app and restart your phone. Then go to your Play Store for the reinstall the app. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh restart to the app. If none of this helps, then you can contact to the customer service of the app by going on help center and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.